Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. You watching Fruitake. So OnePlus has started rolling out the OxygenOS 16.1 update for eligible devices. I am using this update on my OnePlus 13R from last 3 days. This update comes with the lots of amazing features. The major change in this update is implementation of glass user interface elements, which gives the fantastic makeover of OxygenOS. Today in this video, we will review all the glass user interface elements of this update along with some hidden ones. I will also show you some new tricks to add more glassy user interface effects across the entire system. The combination of default OxygenOS 16.1 glass user interface elements plus the new tricks will completely transform the boring OxygenOS into the stunning new glass user interface. Please support our channel if you find this content helpful by hitting the like, hype and share buttons. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notifications of such content every day. Now without wasting any time, let's get started. The first user interface change in the OxygenOS 16.1 is the true glass effect for all application folders that you create on the home screen. These folders now have nice glowing edges. You will see same effect for the categories folders in the app drawer. The bottom search bar and the switch between all the application and categories section in the app drawer also got the same glass user interface. When you long press on the home screen to access the home screen settings like organize, widgets, wallpaper and styles, these settings also received the new glassy user interface. When you search for the applications in the app drawer using the search bar, all the filtered applications are shown on the frosted glassy background, which looks very cool. So these are some glass user interface elements I found on the home screen and in the app drawer. Apart from this, some elements are also present in the OnePlus Photos application. When you scroll up or the down in the Photos application, the top search bar and the three-dot menu gets the frosted glass look. Even the bottom switcher menu for the photos and albums have also received the frosted glass user interface. Left side, month, year and the day filter button have also got the frosted glass user interface. The right side filter button and the entire settings panel have also got the frosted glass effect. Next, OnePlus has added the frosted glass user interface with the counter glow effect for the lock screen widgets. The new live space also has this user interface. Even when you expand the media and the clock timer live alerts from the live space, their control panel gets the same frosted glass interface. Lock screen shortcuts have also received the same glass user interface. Next is a major and the new change. OnePlus has added the glass UI effect for US panel first time. But I have a trick to give it more refined glass effect. Just go to the three-dot settings menu, there select the customize quick setting and in the tile color option select the follow system instead of multicolor option. The change gives the slightly more refined glass user interface as compared to the default setting. Next, notifications and the recent panel clear all button has also got the frosted glass UI with the counter glow effect. App sidebar now has this counter glow effect with the frosted glass user interface. All the elements I shown have the counter glow effect. To get this effect, you must enable the settings present in the home screen and the lock screen customization. Here go under the more and under the texture blur option enable the counter glow toggle. So these are all the new glass UI elements that OnePlus has provided in OxygenOS 16.1 update. Now let's check out how to get the glass UI effect for other elements. The first one is this rounded glass UI icons. To get this, you just need to download and install the new icon pack from the link given in the video description. Install the APK and then apply it using the wallpaper and style setting. That's it. You will get these amazing glass icons for all the system and user applications. The counter glow effect also works with these icon packs, but it doesn't get applied to all applications. Some application may miss these icons. Next is this dock bar with the glass user interface. OnePlus didn't provide any dock bar on the home screen, but you can easily add it. Just install the Blur One APK from the link given in the video description. Open the application, select the option to apply the dock. You will get this dock which you can move across the screen using the drag handle. You can change the dock radius, side space, blur, dim effect, and even the colors using the different settings. Once you feel the position and the user interface of the dock is correct, your new wallpaper with the dock effect is ready. Just select this button and set the wallpaper where you want. This is just an effect of the dock, not an actual dock on the home screen, but it definitely gives the feel and the true frosted glass user interface on the home screen. You can edit any current wallpaper using this application to add the frosted glass dock bar on the home screen. Last but not least, these are the glass widgets. To get all of these new amazing glass widgets, you need to buy this glass widget APK from the Play Store. It is just of 50 rupees. This application has multiple different widgets, and with every update you will get the new glass widgets. You can search for any widget you want in the application search bar. Then select the widget and click on the add button. It will be available automatically on the home screen as per the space available. So these are some tricks to get icons, new home screen dock, and the widgets with the true glass user interface. Combining this with the OxygenOS 16.1 frosted glass user interface will give your phone completely different look. This is all about for today guys. Hope you liked our work. Then please do like, hype and share this video. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for notifications of our upcoming content related to OnePlus and OxygenOS. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Take care. Bye bye.